Good morning, welcome to day 3 of my Iceland ring road journey. We're somewhere in northern Iceland on Route 1. I just saw my first car for like 5 minutes. It's desolate out here. I literally think I'm on top of a mountain in the middle of northern Iceland. It's pretty beautiful. But yeah, I slept in the car last night. I got a lot of miles in. And today we're getting up early. We're gonna get a ton of miles in, gonna get a ton of stuff done. So let's go. So there's a nice pullover spot for this one. This one looks pretty nice. And it's about a 50-yard hike to the waterfall. Just another epic Icelandic waterfall in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by thousands of other waterfalls. I haven't even driven like a half hour, maybe half hour, 45 minutes yet, and I've already hit 2 pretty cool waterfalls. All right, had to put the winter jacket on. We're here to go see these 2 amazing waterfalls, Selfoss and Dettifoss. They're like as far away from Reykjavik as you can get. I'm at like a halfway point, I'm thinking, of doing the ring road, but both of them are awesome. So here we go. This hike's so cool. Here we go! Sick! Fucking cloud rolled through. This cloud's like legit. I'm gonna go to the other one. So it looks like that cloud just blew out, and check out this view. Should have brushed my hair this morning. If I had a brush. That current would keep me alive. I'm hanging on the ledge, pretty close to the ledge, as close as I'll go. Wow. It's beautiful. So I just pulled over because all these cars were off the road. So I was like, oh, this must be pretty good. Check this out. Something's cooking. It smells like, it doesn't smell like shit, but it smells like, it smells like shit. It's bad. I can't stay here too long. It smells so bad. We have to get up close on a couple of these things. Oh, it smells so bad. It smells horrible. This is like another planet out here. Crazy. Oh, it smells so bad. But the view, so sick. So sick. All right, back to the road. It is beautiful, but smells like shit. All right, so we're walking up to one of the waterfalls that I'm stoked to see, Godafoss. I sure do love waterfalls. Godafoss Waterfall. We're seeing some freaking awesome waterfalls today. It kind of sucks it's not as nice out as it was yesterday, but that's Iceland. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. All right, back to the car. One of the coolest things about this trip so far is there's certain things I want to see, like Godafoss, but like today I woke up, I didn't know I was gonna see Godafoss. I haven't really looked at the map. I don't know exactly, I knew where some of the stuff was like day one, but today a lot of the stuff I've been seeing is like, oh, it's here. Let's go, follow the signs. So we're off, maybe a few more things today, but I think at some point today I'm gonna take a rest, get a hotel room. I've been sleeping in cars for 2 nights. Too many nights in a row. Let's go. All right, I'm done for today. I'm beat. I got myself an Airbnb. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna sleep in. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna do my hair. But tomorrow, day 4.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a